Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If filing taxes online sounds complicated or stressful, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file your taxes online using TurboTax. Step by step, beginner friendly, and totally stress-free. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to confidently file your 2024 taxes for the 2025 season without wasting hours or getting lost in confusing forms. And let's dive in. Getting started with TurboTax. First things first, go to turbotax.com. At the top right corner, click Sign In if you already have an account, or select Create Account to make a new one. The setup process is super simple. Just enter your email, choose a password, and you're good to go. TurboTax makes everything intuitive. Once you're signed in, you'll see your personalized dashboard that will guide you through every step of the filing process, even if it's your first time. Choosing the right edition. Now, this part is really important. TurboTax offers several editions, but if your tax situation is simple, for example, you only have W-2 income and no complex investments, go with the TurboTax Free Edition 2024. After selecting it, TurboTax will start asking you a few questions, like your income source, filing status, and dependents. Just answer them one by one, honestly and carefully. This step helps TurboTax personalize your experience so it knows exactly what forms and deductions apply to you. Once you've filled out your info, head over to the Review/Edit section. This is where TurboTax really shines. It automatically scans your return for any errors, missing information, or overlooked deductions. You'll see helpful alerts and suggestions that ensure your tax return is accurate and complete before submission. Think of this as your built-in double-check system that helps you avoid mistakes and potentially increase your refund. Verify your personal information before filing. Go to My Info or Personal Profile. Here, confirm that all your details, your name, address, social security number, and financial info are 100% correct. Even a small typo can delay your refund, so take a minute to make sure everything matches your official documents. This step may sound basic, but it's one of the most common reasons people face processing delays, so don't skip it. And that's it. You've just learned how to file your taxes online using TurboTax like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech and finance tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Yeah, I always reply. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 2025 tax filing season.